Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about what is the future of manual testing. I was getting a lot of queries on this topic. What would be the future of manual testing? I thought let me make a video of it. Whether do we really have a future for manual testing? Before moving further, if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe button and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. This is very interesting question because whether manual testing is going to completely die tomorrow, or is there any value is there, whether because I'm currently working on as a manual tester, what would be my future, will I lose my job? There are various questions will be in their minds, especially who is working on manual testing. Let me answer this question in a more practical way and more data oriented way. Manual testing will going to completely die or it will going to sustain even for a very long period. So let us go and understand whether what would be the future of manual testing. If you can see I try to get the Google Trends. I went to Google Trends, then I try to search for manual testing keywords. If you can see this keyword, I try to search from 2004 to till today, which is 2019. I try to search this keyword manual testing from 2004 to 2019. If you can see nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. The word manual testing searching is constantly at the same phase, and the quantity of this keyword search is not reduced at all. That means still there is a lot of relevance is there in terms of manual testing. Manual testing is really required across testing industry. Without manual testing, testing industry doesn't exist at all. Only the way we are trying to test manually or the bringing the optimization or testing in a smarter way, it varies, but manual testing doesn't go away at all. Manual testing is very much needed to sustain the software testing world. I clarified your doubt that manual testing doesn't go anywhere. Manual testing will be there, and all the time the focus will be on the manual testing. But the thing is, because as the day progresses, manual test cases will increase. Hence, everybody is trying to bring automation so that we can keep the pace of software development cycle over the period. Otherwise, the speed of software development we cannot keep in the same phase, because we have to deliver the product every sprint, every month, year on year, like that. I am hoping this video was very useful for you. Please click on like button and you like this video. If you visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.